The 15th BRICS Summit is held in Johannesburg, South Africa. The bloc groups Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. They now contribute about a quarter of the global GDP. Experts say strengthened BRICS cooperation will play a crucial role in stabilizing the world economy.
Well, just look at the figures of international trade and investment, that the BRICS are playing a much more important role, a much bigger role in the world economy than any time before. It has been a stabilizing role for the developing world.
Today, over 20 countries are knocking on the door of BRICS. Scholars say that has reflected the credibility of the mechanism.
This time, South Africa is inviting 65 heads of nations in terms of BRICS Africa outreach and BRICS Plus, and also in terms of Africa and BRICS combination of leaders. So this kind of enormous interest that BRICS is generating with so many countries willing to join BRICS is a reflection of credibility of BRICS, the potential of BRICS nations, how world sees that BRICS is the future organization.
Over the years, BRICS has actively promoted cooperation among emerging markets and developing countries under the BRICS Plus model.
Donc, ce qui est très important, c'est qu'il faut bien saisir que les BRICS permettent aux pays les moins nantis de pouvoir développer leur économie, réduire la pauvreté et surtout lutter contre les inégalités sociales. Et c'est en ce sens où, à mon sens, ce rendez-vous est très important.